To make unlimited Telegram accounts, the first thing is you need to go to your Telegram app or Telegram account and then click the menu on the upper left. And then next is click your profile icon, then click add account, and then click or log in using your phone number. And then now enter a different phone number and you'll get a verification code and then enter it here. And that's it. Now you can easily switch between accounts right from your Telegram menu. Now, if you would like to use multiple Telegram accounts at the same time, what you can do is that you can use your Telegram account like this one, and then you can also use the Telegram web like this one. So by using the Telegram web, you can log in using a different account. Let's say your first account on your Telegram app and then second account on your Telegram web, which you can also do to a different uh, web browser or incognito to log into another, let's say your third Telegram account. And this way you can use multiple Telegram accounts at the same time. All right, now you know how to make unlimited Telegram accounts and watch this playlist if you ever get stuck setting this up.